Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be leftover pulled pork on tostadas. If you did it right, there's a pile of pork left over, and now you're searching for ways to use it. Let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see here, we've got some of our fresh vegetables from the garden. We just went out, picked those, brought them inside, and what we have to choose from out there is our middle of summer, maybe the end of summer vegetables. So the garden, the spring crop is done and kind of winding down. We've got some corn for the side, sweet corn, various types of chili peppers, jalapenos, tomatoes, limes, white onions, a couple of different toppings. We've got some hot picante, some medium, some guacamole sauce, of course, the leftover pulled pork, tostadas, sour cream, medium cheese dip, we'll see whether or not I use that this time, and avocados. Let's go ahead and get started preparing the ingredients. All right, there's all the ingredients cut, prepared. Now it's an assembly process. YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits, and this video is my latest upload. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.